YouTube, it's your boy Mo, and I'm back with another video today. Today we'll be doing an oil filter and an oil change on my Infiniti G37. So let's get into it. So first you're gonna have to get you some 5W30 full synthetic. Get your oil filter. I'm sad I got this one because I got a K&N up here right now, but I heard this one's pretty good. And jack your car up. I recommend using 2 jack stands on both sides, but this all I got, so this one I'm gonna use. Alright, so I already started removing some of it. My splash shield. This is what you have to take off when you're doing your oil change to get to your oil drain plug and your oil filter right there. Let me zoom in for you so you can see. But to remove your splash shield, you have to remove 20 of these 10mm bolts right here. Yes, it's 20 plus 3 clips that's right here, and right there. So let me finish removing this, and then we're gonna get to draining the oil. Alright, y'all, we got the splash shield removed. All the 10mm bolts with it. Now we can get to the oil filter and the drain plug. So I believe the drain plug is look like a 14. See that? So the drain bolt is a 14. So I'm gonna set up my oil pan right now and get to it. Also, before you draw your oil, make sure you do that so you can get some airflow. Alright, y'all, so got this all settled. I got Noah. Look, Noah, say hi. Nice 900 right there. Say what's up. What's up? Say what we doing? We doing the oil change. Oil change. Yes, sir. So all right, yeah, I'm about to get ready to remove this 14mm bolt right here and get the oil draining. So let's get it. It's gonna be hard too, y'all. So let me adjust this. Don't do that, Noah. Bye, Daddy. That's okay. Ready? Might need a breaker bar for this. All right, I got it. I got it right here. Let's see it. Daddy. See it. Stop, boy! Get off my back. Well, look, it's black too. That oil black. It's overdue. But that's how you do it, y'all. So when it's done draining, I'm gonna put the bolt back and show you how to remove the oil filter. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, I got that just coming out a little bit. So now since that's like that, I'm gonna get into removing this oil pan. Don't touch the car, Noah. Bye, Daddy. See my boy? Look at his Crocs. Come here. You not in trouble? You gotta come help me. Come on, come get down here. Okay. Got Noah helping me, yeah. But we about to remove this oil filter right here. Hopefully it come off easily too. Oh, yep. Look. Yep. So sometimes you need a tool to remove this oil filter, but
No, Daddy.
not this time. Simply just get the rest of that oil that's in your engine out. You see that?
Yeah, see that.
Yeah, that's how you do an oil change, Noah.
Yeah, cheers.
Dump this and just place it right there.
Okay.
Let all of that drain out right there. I'm gonna wipe too, cause it got like on the block of the engine a little bit. But yeah, so now the next steps is to simply add a new oil that we got. Put the drain plug back on first before you add the new oil. I seen people do an oil change and forget to put the drain plug back, and all their new oil come out. So let's do that right now. Still dripping too. It's all good.
Yeah, Daddy.
That's cool.
No, Daddy.
Put that back in.
No, Daddy. I'm gonna take money, Daddy.
There we go. Got the drain bolt back in, hand tight. About to put the new oil filter on. Let me remove this right here.
Yeah.
No outside learning. You learning?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, y'all. So
Oh, it's right.
that's a good amount of oil we removed.
That's Daddy. Yeah.
See the dirty oil?
Yeah. Daddy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, teacher.
Noah got scary, y'all.
Yeah.
Watch out. I recommend one of these too, right here. Flow tools. Where you going? All right, so I'm gonna take my new oil filter, show y'all how to do it. Let me put you guys up on my tripod. I need 2 hands for this. All right, y'all, so you remove this right here. Could take some of the old oil, but I'm gonna just put some of the new oil. Can y'all see this? Yeah, I can see it. You just basically take some of the new oil and just pour it in there, just like that. Just like how y'all see me do it. Do it just like that. Make sure you put some grease around the ring right here and get some inside of it too. You rub it all around here. It drips on, even right there too on the insides. Come on, Noah. Let me wipe this up. Something like that, but basically you take some new oil, you put it around this new gasket right here and pour some in the inside. Okay, yeah. Show you guys how to put it on now. So you can see the little nipple right here. So all you do is simply just like this, look. So all you do, just twist it right back on. Simply just like that.
Hey, Daddy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't lean on the car. Let go. Watch out.
Yeah. Hey, Bo.
And you hand tighten it. Might have to wipe it off.
No.
And you tighten it some more.
Okay.
Just like that, y'all. And we good to go. So I'm gonna tighten this drain plug because I only hand tightened it. And that's it of the oil change. I'm gonna add this new oil and that's it, y'all. I'm gonna wipe up here too. What you doing, Noah? Sure, I don't got nothing dripping, so nothing smelling like oil or nothing. And we good. Come here. So yeah, that's it, y'all. That's it underneath here. All right, guys, I thought I was recording while I was filling the car up with oil, but I just put the oil in. Oil levels are full,
Hi,
as you can see. So, car is full of oil now. I thought I was recording. I'm a little mad about that, but now I'm gonna put my splash shield back on. And I'm not gonna show you guys how to do that because I already showed you how to take it off. So I'm gonna just add my splash shield, lower the car, start it, and get it moving. And I had Noah already checking underneath for any leaks, which we do not have, of course, because I'm a good mechanic. These spots right here is just when I moved the oil pan right there. And those spots right there is not from my car, that's from the Audi. But let me add this splash field and I'll get back to you guys. All right, y'all, so I got the splash shield back on every boat, except for this one. But it ain't going nowhere. Every boat is in there, as you can see.
Yeah.
I got everything in, so now I'm gonna drop it down. See Noah out here putting in work too. Come here, Noah. Come help Daddy lower the car. Come on. Check the oil levels, everything is good. So now, me and Noah will be lowering the car. Ready?
Okay.
Camera like this one. Here, now hold it. Yep, hold it. Watch your hand. So your fingers don't get in the camera. Yep, and then point it down.
Okay.
Good job.
Edges.
You got it?
Okay.
All right, ready? Here. Turn it. Turn it. Here.
This.
Good job. See? All right.
Okay.
Good job. You lowered it, Noah.
Yeah.
All right, now I'm gonna put all my tools up.
I did it. I did it.
Yeah, when you have kids, most of your tools are going missing because they like to play in your toolbox. So always remember that. Even if you hide it, they're gonna still get to it. All right, so we're gonna clean up. We're gonna get the car start right after. So stay tuned, y'all. All right, y'all. After you do an oil change, make sure you give your car a start. I already did this off camera, but I'm gonna do it one more time because me and my boy about to go to the mailbox and go recycle this oil. But start your car, let it warm up a little bit. Oh, it's hot. You hot? Okay, we're gonna turn this AC on. Don't touch. Let's go. Start it up. I can already hear the difference, so my car is just running. The car was running a little bit rough before, so now with this oil change, definitely can hear the difference in the idle and all that. But yeah, y'all, that's it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Help me reach 1K. That's my new goal, 1K. So this is how you do an oil change on the Infiniti G35 or 37. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Say peace.
Please.
And we out.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. He came and turned that